Hey everyone, welcome back to How to Fix Anything Easy. In this video, I'll show you how to fix 3 common electrical issues at home, safely and easily. Let's get started. If a power socket suddenly stops working, first check your circuit breaker. Maybe it tripped. Just flip it back on. Still not working? Turn off the main power and remove the socket cover. Look for loose wires or signs of burning. If anything looks risky, don't guess. Call a certified electrician. Is your bulb burning out too fast? Don't blame the bulb just yet. Check if you're using the right wattage. Also, loose connections in the socket can cause flickering and short circuits. Use a multimeter or replace the holder if needed. If your switch sparks or feels hot, that's a red flag. Turn off the power immediately. Remove the switch panel and check for blackened wires or melted plastic. If yes, replace the switch. These are cheap and easy to install. That's it! You just learned how to fix 3 electrical issues at home, fast and safe. If you liked the video, hit like, share with your friends, and subscribe for more easy fixes.